rather ni Coach Rod Palmero in the past 2 games. 19 points against Arellano, 18 points right before that. You expect a big output from her today. Pero abante dito ang Lady Altas. Shai Omipon winds up and hits the cross court.
Every time na magte-take off to si Omipon, malalaman mo kung gaano ka-powerful yung mga papakawalan niya.
Setter ngayon ng Perpetual. Usually, siya yung secondary setter ni Coach Sandy Reyeta. Ang primary po nila, si Minmin Sapin. Diba? As we take a look at that hit coming from Kat Almazan. Ang ganda naman yung pagdireksyon niya sa bola doon.
And good thing for Almazan.
Nag-sorry ka sa mga head coach mo. Kasi pinasakit mo yung ulo nila.
Usually yan, more on brainstorming. Nag-uusap-usap din naman kayo. Kaso syempre, the last say ay magagaling para sa head coach. Yun ang pinakamahirap, yung decision making.
Ganda nung decision making doon.
Mababa, magkakatalo na lang kung napakagaling mo talagang gumamit ng underhand.
Oo, correct. Ganda ulit yung serve niya doon. Tapol. Popped up by De Andres. Orenda in is denied. A chance for the Lady Altas. And Tapol flies in for the kill. Orenda in. Good first ball. Almeñana.
Sai Almeñana.
24-14 set point na. Ang Perpetual. Razonable off the block. May konti pang lingering look. And that's what she brings to the table. Aside from these attacks.
Point na. Kargado pa rin service niya, no?
That's right. Almeñana. Wow!
Sai Almeñana.
25-16. Sai Almeñana and set number 1 it goes. To the Lady Altas, they lead it 1-0.
That's the end of the first set. Our score is 25.
Ng kanilang setter.
Ano mo, John Vic, nakita natin to from the Benilde Lady Blazers way back in season 97. Ginagawa nila yan. And the other teams started to do it again. Dito sa season 99 na natin. Kasi LPU ginagawa na yan. Perpetual ginagawa na. Arellano has their own version of that. Razonable off speed that drops in. For Razonable.
Point for the Lady General.
I like her attitude na every time na makakapunto siya. Alam mo yung mafe-feel mo na gustong-gusto niyang kumuha ng point. Wala ay galing sa errors na binigay ng EAC.
Grabe. Yan yung ayaw mong gawin if you're EAC kasi dumadali lalo ang buhay para sa Perpetual.
Ay nakikita naman natin, nagtatrabaho talaga itong EAC.
Yeah.
Floor defense, attack. So yung force error, yun talaga ang nagpapalo moral.
Itong si Ann Formento. Cordial on your screens, the libero of VAC. Of speed. Not gonna work. Back attack for Ja Enrico. Wow, these are quality minutes provided by Enrico and some game experience, John Vic. Talaga walang takot itong si Razonable.
Imagine kung lahat ng players ng EAC ganyan.
I'm
sure mag-iiba uli ang flow ng game.
That's right. Brutus. Easy up. Razel. Pushes that one through. Madisgrasya ka pa dito. Yeah. Nice ace. Ariola continues to serve well. Razonable. Lozano was there. Omipon, Cordial, picks it up. Alex again. Shai. What a wind up. And a put down for Shai Omipon.
At si Aldea ay meron na siyang 6 points.
What? Galing sa quick attack.
Oo.
Oh, Brutas. Even from behind, lumusot.
Brutas nakahanap ng butas.
Yan.
Diba?
Sa mga kamay ng blockers. Galing mo dun Down the line pa. Tinarget niya. Lozano. Sapin. Enrico is checked. What a save by Sapin though. De Andres Pass to Formento. Here comes Brutas. Oh! Finding a spot. Etong si Trisha Brutas.
Right timing para kay Brutas dito sa second set natin. Kailangan ng puntos itong EAC. Minsan, nag-iisip ka, kailangan ko na ba mag-work? Kailangan ko na ba tapusin yung studies ko?
Yeah.
Napakahirap na decision yan for the student athletes.
That's right.
Chris Cordero.
They have a decision to make.
Feeling ko, pag nakapuntos pa sila dito, magta-time out na si coach.
Kanta ulit ng serve yun. Oo. Okado. Overpass. Joust is won by Perpetual. And that's how we will end the second set. The Lady Altas take a commanding 2-0 lead.
That's the end of the second
Babalik
set.
po tayo
Our
para
score
sa
is
set
25-19
number 3 ng laban na to.
in
Ito po ang
favor of the
NCAA
University of
Season
Perpetual.
99.
Tam slow start.
Oh, Lozano. Nadala kay Sapin. Oh, and in! Wow!
Head Orinday.
Martin, ito na yung sinasabi natin. Nahahawa na yung ibang attackers ng EAC.
Not the most
Oo.
powerful hit. Doon sa open spot. Taps. Ito na ang floor defense ng EAC. This is where they excel. And it drops in.
Head Orinday.
And ang good thing dito sa EAC, nakakaroon sila ng attack. At the same time, na-check na nila
Still serving
yung mga
with the
attackers
leading
ng Perpetual.
Rhea Magalon.
Hindi man nila
Back-to-back
nabablock.
points.
Oo, hindi man parang tribute or
Oh.
alam mo, yan yung respect na ma-earn ng mga senior players, even the coaches. Sa mga naghihintay lang sila na may parang may isang magsa-spark plug
Whoa!
para gumana sila.
And Formento.
That's a sneaky 1-2 play from Anformento. Whoa! Oh, ano yun ha? Risky. Pero high risk, high reward for
Oo.
Formento. Taps from behind.
Pinalik pa si Dapol.
Popped up. Sapin to Umipon. Side catches the corner. Razonable. Nice serve. Lozano with a better pass. Running hit for Razzle Aldea.
Sayang, no? Nakaposisyon na doon si Formento sana. Sa running attack na galing kay Aldea. Aha. Medyo C.
Perpetual is back in front. Difficult first ball. Oh, Bedanya puts it down.
Yeah.
And a quick attack for Bedanya right there gives Perpetual the 2-point advantage.
Nakakatawa si Sapi, no? Pinifeed niya talaga itong mga quickers niya. Para pag nagkaroon siya ng
Dito sa Lady Altas, they need 5 points to close out the match. Azunabe says,
Alex,
wait a minute, I'm not yet done. Ganda ulit ng serve. Push by Aldea will not work. Here comes EAC. Razonable cuts it away. It is set point, Lady Generals.
grabe.
Alex Razonable.
Every time na tumatalon si Razonable.
Sumasabay yung cheer sa pag-angat niya. Another good serve. Chance para sa EAC. Razonable drops it. And EAC wins set number 3.
Alam mo, Martin, nakakatuwa. Ito yung inaabangan natin sa EAC. Na yung laro ng Perpetual parang nag-iba dito sa third set natin.
The Lady Generals end set number 3 on a 6-0 run. And they now have a set on the board. 23 minutes of action. Pagbalik po natin, tumungo tayo sa set 4. Today, Formento. Brutas! That one rolls in for Trisha Brutas.
Sa tagal ko naglalaro ng volleyball, Martin, yun yung isa sa pinakamahirap depensahan.
Yeah.
Yung patulayin at patawirin sa net. Yung bola.
ano dun eh. Mapapansin ka dito, of course, he's gonna be playing in season 100 ng ating basketball competition. Oh, Daps Dapol!
Stopple.
Ariola with a good serve. They bring it to Razonable. Wow! Cut shot!
Etwal dahil dun sa mga errors nila, especially galing sa mga atake.
Alex, nakabantay si Dapol. One more time. This time with the off-speed. Santa Cruz. Formento. Razonable. Bumuelo ulit. Kept alive by Daps. Here's Bustamante. Razonable. It's her again. Daps. Deflected and saved. Back to Alex. Kanya lahat to.
Oo.
Daps. Power push. Santa Cruz. Buhay pa. Aldea. Yes.
Russell Aldea.
Had an injury. Kaya si Lozano yung nagsisimula para sa kanila. That's our former best libero, Marian Andal.
For defense,
Yeah. Ariola, quick attack!
Wait, Medanya.
It's a Bedanya activation.
Kaso Martin, napakahirap depensahan ng ganong klaseng palo from Bedanya.
On deck serve for the Lady Altas. Top stopple.
19. Chansa. Could be their final chance for a push. Omipon! Too much power.
Aha.
Grabe si Shai.
Oo. And pag may nakikita siyang konting puwang doon sa kamay ng mga blockers, from 5 points to 7 points. Ito nang yung EAC na yun na wala ng first ball, Martin.
Yeah. Hirap na hirap sila dito. Razel Aldea.
Our graduating player para sa Perpetual Altas.
Look at this. Katanumpikay. Laka na no.
Oo.
Na kumalo si Lut. Oh! Shai Omipon ends the match. And Perpetual will end the elimination round on the winning side of things. Winning this one in 4 sets. 25-16 was the final tally in that
Ladies and
4th set.
gentlemen, the respective
The Lady
school
Altas will take their
purple
5th win
teams.